Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a free private server in Grow Academy 2 game of Roblox. Okay, first you're going to open up your Roblox application, and then you're going to search for Grow Academy 2 game, and then you can click on this icon, guys, and you will see an option to create a private server. Just tap on that and you'll be able to create your own private server or join someone's private server. If you want to create it, you can click on create right here. And I have already created one private server, so I have reached my limit, and this is my private server. I can join my own private server right here. And if you want to edit your private server, click on the pencil icon. Then you can change the server name right here. And you can customize the allowance like this. You can also add people and so on. And I'm going to go back. Okay, and if you want to join someone's private server, you just need to click on join here and you can load more. Okay guys, and that's how you can get a free private server in Grow Academy 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.